Yo, hello, it's me. Okay, so right now we just liquidated these lows right here. But I don't think we're going up anytime soon. And in fact, I think we're heading for this gap right here. Just kind of like a volume imbalance right there. So let's see. This would be a good opportunity to sell right here. But it's not 10 a.m. yet. Okay, what if I did this? What if I did this? Alright, so it looks like the DXY just turtle souped this right here, and it's heading for this gap as well. So same thing with NQ, so it's gonna go down a little bit to that gap. It might not be in this session. Actually it might, because it's not that far away. Matter of fact, it will. Alright, so right now this price might bounce off of this gap and continue down. But I wouldn't want to take that just because we're not in discount. I mean, the price came up here. I mean, yeah, but then we'd miss the move up. So I don't want to try and move up just in case price will just crash down, But on 1 minute, we have this gap right here. So price can bounce off of this gap. And I'll take that. It's EU saying. Alright, so right now EU looks like it's bouncing off this gap. This gap right here. break structure for value gap. I think this joint is heading up. I think this joint is heading up. I'm gonna go on with the 10 lot. God damn it. How the fuck you have to move so fast? No. Just hold on a bit, yo. Fuck. Alright, I'm going with the 9 lot. Just in case. Alright, so we're in 9 lots. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what the fuck just went through my mind taking this trade. So I guess my thing was, it's at the consequent encroachment of this daily gap. Price broke up, break structure, came back down to this gap right here. And inside of that, we also have this little run up right there, fair value gap right there. Oh, hold on, bro. Can't even see my fucking screen. So there's a consequent encroachment right here. I'm gonna move my stop just a little bit. Just in case, you feel me? Alright. But yeah, so it's at the consequent encroachment right here, the daily gap. Price broke up, came back down on the 5 minute right here to this gap right here. Went up, gap, and then we're at this level right here. We broke up. There's a couple of gaps right here. I took it up here. I ain't gonna lie, I have a shitty entry, but yeah, we're gonna see how this plays out. Nonetheless, oh no, I don't like YM anymore. I was gonna say I could take YM, but it already ran the high. So I don't really want to get involved in that. For you, TP is gonna be this high right here. For a total of 23 pips. So YM reacted pretty nicely off of this breaker as well. Really, my entry should have been down here. But, you know. This is kind of like a demand setup. A demand setup I used to take. Except the demand setup entry would have been way better. But it's only by like 1 pip. But, you know, that 1 pip makes a difference. I also took these lows right here. Let's see if this gap holds. Yeah, so NQ might bounce off of here. I'm rating EU, so looks like YM played out, or is playing out. We'd still only be at a 1-1, honestly. So, bro, what the fuck is EU doing? Like, bro, I swear, when EU wants to act stupid, it acts stupid for real. Nah, I didn't even act stupid. I'm just impatient. It looks like NQ is gonna sell off. Oh, I'm moving my stop loss for sure to up here. That's fucking stupid. Like, okay, I guess price doesn't want to go up. But definitely I want to sell NQ. Even though it just ran this low, I still want to sell it. Like usually that's stupid to do. Like it's a dumb move, but EU, man, EU ain't showing me love right now. She is not showing me love right now. It's about to stop me out right here. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck EU's on about. My stop is like right here right now. Fuck, that's crazy. Will it hold is the question. No. Alright, well, at least it gives us the mental capital to go to NQ. Because I believe NQ is about to sell off. Alright, so yeah, we just lost that trade. EU's on some bullshit. I thought that was gonna win. So yas. EU didn't even give an entry for this run on liquidity and then market structure shift. Didn't even give an entry. So to me, honestly, that's like I kind of want to go in with the 30-point stop loss. But that's stupid. That's stupid because the stop should be right here. But I don't want to take that because it's a 50-point stop loss. You know? Alright, number one rule I think I need to adjust is I need to stop taking trades right at 7 a.m. You know, even though sometimes they do play out, especially on Forex pairs lately, I've been getting fucked. And YM looks like it's just going to continue up, and so is ES. But bro, it makes no fucking, like, make it make sense, bro. It never even took this low. Oh, well, there you have it. Alright, so this is a breaker right here. Just tap this breaker block right here. I don't use breaker blocks, but just keeping it into account. Just accounting for it. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just kind of stupid the way this trade played out. Mhm. 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 Looking at this, it doesn't look like it's gonna sell off anymore. Yeah, price looks like it's bullish as hell right now. But I do believe it's gonna sell off though, you know. I'm gonna eat a banana. Banana secured. I think I'm gonna go in. Okay, well, price is just gonna leave me. Alright, it's fine. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a valid trade idea right here. Oh yeah, I didn't post this yet. I can post this joint. This thing just looks like it's gonna keep going up. Like, but if YM gives me the opportunity, I'm gonna sell that bitch short. So I guess my number one mistake that I made on EU, in another world, this trade could have played out, but number one mistake is I didn't wait for a run on liquidity, right? Like, yeah, sure, grab these lows, but if you want to buy, you should buy after it runs these lows, or after it runs these highs, you sell, right? I think that's the number one mistake I'm making. So, from now on, I'm only taking trades that run old highs or old lows. Yeah, I'm gonna take Naz. I'm gonna take her short once she gives me that entry. Holy fuck, even if it gives me that entry, bro. Metro Boomin got them all. Man, trying to pick the song to use on a fucking Instagram story is harder than choosing who the fuck you're gonna spend the rest of your life with. Honestly. EU. Man, EU is just. I don't know what the fuck EU's doing. Honestly. Okay, this looks like displacement right here. Kinda wanna take that. I'm not even gonna lie. Kinda wanna take that. Okay, maybe not. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, do I want to take that though? Okay, hold on. Price just tapped into this. Right? Yeah, it's. I'm not gonna take that. Um, it looks like price is gonna boost off of this fair value gap right here. But I don't think it's gonna keep going up though. Okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe, just maybe. I just think it's kind of stupid how it did all this down here, but it didn't give us an entry. I think that's pretty stupid. Um, I don't want to take Wham. I really don't. And EU's doing some bullshit as well. What's GU doing? Also some bullshit. I mean, it just grabbed this low, but it doesn't look like it's gonna. I think I'm gonna take a buy here. Since it's disrespecting that breaker. Okay, well it's staying in between the fair value gap. Okay. So I mean, technically speaking, this would make sense. So 2.5 law right here. To run that high. That would make sense. I don't know though, man. Just because they just filled in this fair value gap, right? Yeah, price is leaving me anyways. Yeah. Yeah, so right now I have a lot of indecisiveness with NAS because it's showing bullishness, but it's also respecting the fair value gap. So yeah, all we really gotta do is just wait, you know? Like it's your birthday. Smoking on the gas back. Oh, fuck, I'm tired as hell. Heavy metal fans be like, Alright, if it breaks this low, I'm selling. Mm, Not at the low, but you know what I'm talking about. Um, I've been patient enough. Alright, leaving the fuck alone. Dude, just liquidate it, bro. Like, I'm so impatient. Damn. Alright, we're about to see displacement. Alright, too many fucking rectangles, bro. Holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna keep that one. But I'm deleting the breaker block. I already know it's there. Alright, so 20 point stop loss. 2.5 lot. Okay. So technically, created a high, broke the low. That's a market structure shift. And so is this right here. Jesus. Alright. Getting ready for NASDAQ. Getting ready for NASDAQ. I'm going with 2.75. Right there. Stop loss right there. Take profit down here. Yes. We'll see how this goes. So yeah, usually I do wait for the higher for value gap, but the way Nas is moving lately, okay, no way I'm about to get stopped that quick. No fucking way. No shot, bro. No shot. This trade was so valid, bro. What are you talking about? No shot, boy. I'm gonna just look for my 1 to 3, and that's it. No shot, bro. This trade is so valid. Um, Anyways, Nasdaq, what are you doing? What are you doing? What the fuck is this? Okay, don't tell me you're about to bounce off of this Bissy right here. That would be gay. That would be so gay of you, Nasdaq. Alright, I'm not letting this trade hit my all the way to my that stop loss right there. I'm putting my stop right here. Alright, that's like the most I'm willing to risk on Nas right now. Just because it's being a little weird. Alright. Alright, if this is a L, I don't know. Well, that was really unexpected by Nas. It's crazy how fast your emotions switch up within seconds because of a single candle. Like, these markets is a battlefield. I'm gonna write this down. These markets are battlefield. We are in war with our own emotions. That is on God. With every loss, you feel like you're a shitty trader. With every win, you feel like you're on top of the world. At least for me. Um, I guess I'm just emotional like that, but it's man, it's a difficult thing to overcome, really. But I think the answer to that is just detachment. Like, don't attach yourself to any trade. Just focus on the trade that's in front of you. Focus on what price is doing, and just let it ride. Stop giving a fuck about how you feel because of one candle, because it did this or because it did that. Oh, it's respecting that order block. Oh my god, what if it disrespects it? Is that gonna be the end of my trade? Like, no, bro. Just chill out and let it be, bro. And like, especially because I'm not even losing any money doing this. Obviously, the ultimate goal is to get funded, and I'm gonna do that all live. I'm gonna get funded live. I'm gonna be taking trades on my live funded account. I'm gonna be withdrawing live. Okay. Um, this YouTube channel is really to document my whole fucking process. My whole journey. So. Mm-mm-mm. But it's just irritating when Price does shit like this, you know, just playing around. That also definitely fucks around with your own emotions. So, I just need this thing to rip, bro. Like, to rip. Like, rip. Um, okay, that's just so gay. Um, okay, so GBP did its thing. Wow. Um, that's fucking hilarious. Um, I was looking at GU and it did its thing, man. Hmm. I'm gonna change the name again. So we can get more views. It doesn't fucking matter, but why the fuck not, you know? You know? Bro, I just really need Price to stop fucking playing, bro. Yeah. Naz is on some bullshit. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Is it that hard to ask for 60 points, bro? Like, is it? Naz, like, alright, it looks like Price is gonna stop me out. Like, let's just be honest, bro. What the fuck is this? Like, genuinely. And every time it taps into here, it just keeps rolling up. Alright, you can't see my fucking screen. No, I'm not a founded trader. I'm not founded, bro. Adnan Kanbar, I'm not founded, bro. But no, I'm not funded, bro. I'm trading a demo account, G. Um, like, realistically, I could put in like $1,000 of a live account. Um, but honestly, bro, like, at the point I am right now with this ICT journey, I don't want to rush shit anymore. Like, I'm tired of fucking doing stupid shit on live accounts, blowing accounts, and then never actually getting anywhere because of the mental aspect. So right now, like, my main goal is just to continue to learn ICT, and it's not really learning because I already know the setup. The setup is extremely easy. It's just handling your patience, handling your emotions, and being able to catch the setup live. And that's my main thing right now. So, like, before this, my main goal was to just take as many ICT trades as possible, um, which is what I'm doing right now. But once I get this demo account back to break even, which is 50,000, I'm going to I'm only gonna be trading like 8+ setups, and that's gonna be very fucking hard for me because I'm used to taking any and every trade. As you can see today on EU, it was on some bullshit, but I still decided to take it. So yeah, managing emotions on a demo account. I mean, there is emotions on a demo account, bro. There is, or at least for me. Cause I mean I see this. Cause like listen, it's a demo. It is demo, but even on funded accounts are demo, right? So it's the same fucking thing. But yeah, I do. I mean, bro, everyone has traded live accounts, but I just think that right now, okay, maybe I'm not managing emotions, but it's still like you still feel the pain of a loss, even if it's fucking demo account, or at least I do. Um, I guess everyone's different, but yeah, I'm chilling right now, man. Naz is still fucking around. Uh, I don't know, man. EU's also on some bullshit. Yeah, I think price is bouncing out this shit right here. Yeah, I'm gonna exit this trade. Yeah, I'm exiting. I left. I'm out the fucking trade. Um, like I say in most or all of my recaps, when price disrespects shit like this or market structure shifts, um, when shit does that, it's usually just gonna stop you out. Especially if it's playing this fucking much. Oh my god. Not really on funded accounts. You were under pressure because you paid for it. Also, you were desperate to get the funded account. Um, I mean, sure. Like, I don't know, cause like this isn't really a debate, bro. It's just like everyone has their own, way of looking at things. But I mean, you're right. Cause you paid for it. You're definitely under pressure. But still, I'm not talking about the pressure of passing the live account. I'm talking about the pressure of an actual trade. Even if you're not taking, or at least for me, I take demo trades very seriously. Um, just for the simple fact that it's you're simulating emotions, if you want to call it that. like, I know it's not real emotions, but it's still emotions. Like you still feel something. Um, but yeah, like I said, my goal here is to definitely still is to get funded, and that's what this fucking YouTube channel is for. Just get funded live. But right now I'm still in the stage where I'm just demo trading to get down the setup, take the setup, and just trust the trade, I guess. Yeah, I'm not. I got out of Nas. Fuck Nas, bro. I guess today's just gonna be a losing day because I don't, bro. Like, what the fuck is this, bro? Like, okay, so I wanted to take YM. Obviously, this right here, I really wanted to take that, but then, bro, look at this shit, bro. We ran this high right here. Like, one of my main rules is I am not gonna take a buy setup, even if it looks amazing. I'm not gonna take a buy setup if it just ran the high. And the same thing for a sell setup. I'm not gonna take a sell setup if it just ran a low. That's just like, I don't know. That's just, it should be common sense by now. Yes, for sure, but I just mean emotions on a real account with real money is not comparable to demo. No, I completely agree. I definitely agree with that. That's for sure. Um, I guess for me, I don't, cause like I've never put in like a super large sum of money into a live account. I think the most I've ever put in is like 1,500, and I mean, but over the years, obviously I've lost a lot more than that. But like 1,500, it's not enough for you to be like. I feel like you really start feeling the emotions at like 5,000, you know. But like $1,000, $500, $1,500, like it's not enough for you to really feel it. I think that's why funded accounts are like your best bet if you want to trade with low risk but still have like high like rewards. um I think, yeah, funded accounts are the way to go. That's if you know what you're doing. And honestly, bro, like Nas still might go down, but I dude like just look at this shit, bro. Like, bro, come on, bro. I'm not staying in this bullshit and waiting to get stopped out. Fuck nah, bro. Like, I don't know why the fuck Nas does this. And when it gave us an actual setup, it never fucking like never pulled back anywhere, bro. Like, what the fuck is this? And then what the fuck is this? Like, that shit makes no sense. By the way, Minis Bub, I appreciate you for commenting. You're like the first real person I've had a conversation on stream with, so salute to you, my friend. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm done. Honestly, like, EU, it was supposed to respect this right here, but I guess it's I guess it's respecting this gap right here as well, and came up here. Oh yeah, that's one thing it did. That's why it was acting like that. Probably tapped into there. Started going back down. Type shit. You feel me? But even then, it still should have, respected the fucking daily consequent encroachment. But I guess it did that over here, and it didn't want to do it over here. So it is what it is, I guess also, yeah, I guess that as well. Yeah, I mean, I thought this trade was valid. This right here, this EU setup that I took, I thought this was pretty valid. Where did I take it? I think it was like right here. Yeah, it was like right here. Somewhere like that. I forgot where I took it. It was like right there. Some shit like that. And so yeah, my thought process was 5 minute. It tapped into here, started breaking structure, market structure shift. Came back down to this gap, the gap that created the market structure shift. I took a buy right there, and because this is where I took it, and because it started going up like that, and I took it on this gap right here. Stop loss was right here, and take profit was a 1 to 3, and I got absolutely fucked. So yeah, that's basically those trades. Alright, peace, bro. Yeah, man. I guess it's gonna rub it in my face, the fact that I exited the fucking trade. Bro, if this trade wins, I'm gonna be so mad. I'll be so fucking mad. I'll be so fucking mad. I'll be so fucking mad, bro. Okay, yeah, it's gonna rub it in my face. That's so tough. That's so tough. I hope whoever's in this trade gets stopped out. Oh, fuck. Damn, that's so tough, bro. Yeah, that's so tough. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Yeah, it's gonna do the move I've been fucking waiting for all fucking day, bro. What the fuck, man? I'm considering getting in right here. I'm really considering it. But it didn't market structure shift. Nah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm gonna just take today's L's, bro. Either way, my laptop is dying too. So let's go over today's losses real quick again. Um, so we're down 1 point something percent, $596 again for today. Obviously, I'm not a profitable trader yet, as you can see, but we're still making progress. Okay, don't fucking judge me. All right. No, but EU was just on some bullshit, and then I exited NAS at a little bit of a loss because it was also on some bullshit. So fuck you, NAS. EU, you're still cute, but I think I'm gonna stop fucking with you for a minute. So yeah, I think I will stop fucking with EU for a minute. So as you can see right here, I'm about to remove that bitch. So yeah, that was today's live stream. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found some value out of this. Even though I'm a shitty ass trader, I'm just playing. We're all on our own fucking journeys, man. You know, it is what it is. That entry would have been dope. If it does fall, it falls. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I really don't give a fuck anymore. You just gotta take it for what it is, man. So I'm gonna just say peace because this is the end of stream. So peace. Oh, Diamond Bullet, you said you closed early or what happened? Yeah, dude. I mean, look at this shit, bro. But I mean, look at this shit, bro. Okay, so here's my thought process. 5 minute Sibi, we're bearish, obviously. Right here, we're bearish. I got in at the first break of wow, bro. Wow, dude. Okay, fuck you, Nas, bro. Like, honestly, fuck Nas, bro. But anyways, tapped into the whatever here, filled it in, came back down, market structure shifted. I got in at this fair value gap right here, the smaller one, this one right here. I got in right there, and price has literally been playing around for like the past fucking 30 minutes. So right around over here, once price disrespected this right here, this high, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm not letting this run my stop. I'm not letting it run my stop because this is a market structure shift, bro. Like, there's no doubt about it. But obviously, price is deciding to come back down. But the reason I really exited, obviously that market structure shift, but the reason I really exited was because I thought this BISI was holding, which it might still hold. You never know. But yeah, I mean, price today was just on some bullshit. You gotta admit, like, what the fuck is this, bro? Like, silver bullets, they're very fucking precise. They're very fast. Not even the fucking macro moved it, bro. Like, it's moving it now. Macro is at like 10:50 to 11:10. It's moving it now, but it wasn't before. So that's it, man. Yeah, the same trade. Hell yeah. You looked at the 5 minute for this one. I don't know, man. I mean, personally, I look at the 5 minute, but I don't like staring at it while I'm in the trade because the 1 minute gives you clues about what's about to happen. And, like, let's just be honest, bro. Like, this could have 100% just tapped into this fair value gap and kept running up. Let's just be honest. Like, this is a 5 minutes busy. Like, be honest, bro. Like, you know, that's why I just got out. Because, this is one of my first times actually getting out of a trade because of this. I usually just hold until stop loss or take profit. But this is kind of like a clue in the market where I was like, okay, fuck nah, I'm getting out. Like right here, right? If it starts to market structure shift here, and it starts coming up here and then continues down, like, okay. But me personally, if it come up here and I'm still in the trade, I'm out of the fucking trade. Like, on God, this is a 5 minute gap right here, and it just ran an old low, and it ran this low. Like, I'm not about to fuck around with that. You know, even though I know price is bearish, I'm not about to fuck around. Um, just because, bro, like I've held too many trades like this, and then they all fucking hit me at break even or stop loss, anyways. So I gotta break even on it. I'm cool with it. You trade order blocks in for value gaps, for sure, man. I don't trade order blocks, honestly. I used to be a supply and demand trader, but I don't trade order blocks because I don't know. I just don't use them. I just don't use them. Like, I know they're there. I just don't use them though. You feel me? Um, like my main strategy right now is literally this: run the low, come here, market structure shift. But it literally never gave me a fucking entry on the 1 minute. Um, even if it did, I was too busy with EU. I lost on EU, so it is what it is, man. You know. Um, so I mean, right now I'm just tape reading. I was gonna get in right here. I was, but it never gave me the market structure shift. Like, if I'm gonna get into a continuation silver bullet or an evolving silver bullet, it's gonna have to break more structure for me. Like, real shit. It's going to have to. Like, but right here it never did. Tapped into it for really whatever. But like, now that it's this low, like, I'm not gonna take that. Like, I'm good. Especially because it's it's at the 50% of that fair value gap. So, you know, it is what it is. I just like this right here was kind of high resistance liquidity run, because it just grabbed the old low and has a 5 minute civvy. Usually a higher time frame likes to hold those civvies after it runs the old low. So if anything, price should be bullish right now. But I still think it's. I mean, this trade could have. I don't know, 17 and a half. It gave like a 1 and 1.5. So you can't really ask for much, you know. No, it gave a 1 and 2, I think. I mean, if you got on up here, it gave a. I think it gave like a solid 1 and 1.5, 1 and 1.8. It is what it is, you know. So like right about here, if price breaks this, I'm out of the trade. Like, I'm out right here. I'm out. Like, and that's exactly what happened up here, you know. So yeah, I think price is gonna switch bullish right here, if anything, because of the 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah, on EU, I had the same thing. I looked at 5 minute for order block and fair value gap. Yeah, that's what I did too. NQ and EU are also bearish. Yep. Let's look at EU real quick. Yeah, she's bearish as hell, brother. Yeah, I think what EU is doing. Honestly, it might. I mean, maybe short term bearish, but I feel like EU is gonna keep pushing towards like these highs right here. So like, on like the grand scheme of things, it's gonna keep pushing to this high right here. But yeah, definitely. No, and one of my main confluences for EU was also this fair value gap right here. It was at the consequent encroachment of it at 7 a.m. So I was like, okay, well, this might, bust the move real quick. So like 7 a.m. was like right here. It was like right here. Or 10 a.m. My bad. It's 7 a.m. my time. But I guess price just wanted to tap into here and then continue dropping, which makes sense because this drop it went to the 50% level as well to keep dropping. But I thought the daily for value gap was gonna hold. I guess it didn't. I mean, it might still hold, honestly. Just the stop loss was off. Because it wanted to fill it in more, I guess. Whatever. I don't really give a fuck. Um, but yeah, like this, you can't really trade this. Like, be honest, you can't really trade this. I mean, unless you traded this, I guess. But see, price is still fucking around, you know. Aim for these lows right here, but I don't know, just an idea. Yeah, see, NQ, it's I knew it. Like, this was my tape read stop loss. Fucking, you know, it is what it is, man. You know, we knew there was a possibility of it going bullish, and that's what it did. So that 5 minute definitely ended up holding. And that's what I was talking about earlier. Like, it ran the low, 5 minute fair value gap, consequent encroachment of it, tapped into it, and is continuing up. I think it's gonna grab this high for sure. So, I mean, if anything, bro, like, you can get in right here, take it to the high, but it's already 8:15 a.m. for me, so that's a no trade right there. So yeah, I'm off this joint. So peace.